There was a time when the streets of Enugu never slept, when weekends felt like Lagos in the east, when the music, the lights, and the laughter called people home, from Asaba to Abuja, from Port Harcourt, and to far beyond the shores. They came to feel the energy that only Enugu could offer. But then, the city went quiet, like a giant catching its breath, like a lion resting in the shadows, waiting, watching, and ready to soar again. And now, Enugu is back. And she's not just back to vibe, she's back to rise. This isn't just a comeback, it is a rebirth. The nightlife, it's unmatched. The culture, unshaken. And the energy is quite undeniable. And at the heart of it all is a sound, my sound. Original, untouched, protected. So if you hear this beat echo in the night, know it was born from this very streets. And if you use it, do well to give credit. Or you better don't use it at all. Enugu is life again, and with her rise comes opportunity. Now is the time to invest in this city, not later. Because when the world catches on, only early believers will feast from the fullness. From nightlife to high-rise life, from entertainment to enterprise. This is the future. The future is calling from Enugu. So watch closely, listen deeply, and remember, this is more than just a video. It's a movement, and it all starts here, at night in Enugu. My name is Angela Kelechi Ibako, your go-to real estate guide here in the city of Enugu. And I help smart investors make profitable, smart, secure, and profitable real estate investments here in the city of Enugu. Kindly enjoy the rest of the video. Bye for now.